Before buying Numbuzin No. 5 Serum, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, NAD Plus Peptide Lifting Serum. Let's kick things off with the No. 9 NAD Plus Peptide Lifting Serum. This caught my eye because it's designed not just for your face, but for your whole body, and it's priced at $23.40. If you want firmer, plumper skin, this is worth a serious look. This serum is packed with NAD Plus and a blend of 50 peptides that help improve skin elasticity and give you that healthy glow. Essentially, it's like a workout for your skin, helping to combat sagging and dullness. The lightweight texture means it won't feel heavy, which is great if you're layering it under makeup. With over 8,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people are loving this. Now, some folks have mentioned that they didn't see results as quickly as they hoped. Here's the thing though, skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're patient and consistent, this could be a game changer in your routine. This is perfect for you if you want to target sagging skin on your face and body. Skip this if you're looking for instant results without a consistent routine.
Product number 2, NAD Plus Retinol Eye Cream. Next up is the No. 9 NAD Plus Retinol Eye Cream, priced at $16.50. Eye care is so important, especially if you're dealing with dark circles and fine lines, and this one promises to depuff and firm those delicate under-eye areas. What's interesting here is the combination of peptides and niacinamide, which work together to brighten the skin and reduce the look of wrinkles. Using this cream could be a game changer for tired eyes that need a little extra TLC. With 5,000 units sold recently, it seems like a lot of people are putting their trust in this product. However, some users have expressed concern about irritation due to the retinol. Now, I'll be real with you. Retinol can be sensitive for some, but if you gradually build it into your routine, it might be worth the slight initial discomfort for the long-term benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking to brighten and firm your under-eye area. Skip this if you have extremely sensitive skin and are wary of retinol. For the price, it's quite a steal considering how effective retinol can be.
Product number 3, Vitamin Concentrated Serum. Now, let's talk about the No. 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum for $18.20. If you're struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone, this product is designed to help with that. It features tranexamic acid and niacinamide, which are both known for their brightening properties. This serum works to even out your skin tone and give you that radiant glow. The quick absorbing texture is a huge plus, as it won't leave your skin feeling sticky, making it easy to layer with other products. With 4,000 units sold last month, it's clear this serum is making waves. Some users noted a lack of noticeable results after just a few uses. Here's the thing, with skincare, consistency is key. It might take a few weeks to see significant changes, but if you're committed, this could become a staple in your routine. This is perfect for you if you want to target dark spots and create a more even complexion. Skip this if you're looking for something to work overnight. For the price, it's a good deal for a product that promises results. Now, if you're more concerned about texture and pores, the next product on my list focuses specifically on that.
Product number 4, Skin Softening Serum. Next up is the No. 3 Skin Softening Serum, priced at $19.11. If you're dealing with rough skin texture and enlarged pores, this serum might just be what you need. It uses fermented ingredients like bifida and galactomyces to help refine skin texture and promote a smoother appearance. This serum sinks in quickly and is fragrance-free, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. The fact that it's been purchased over 1,000 times recently suggests that it's resonating with many. Some users have mentioned it took a bit longer to see results compared to other serums. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a product that focuses on long-term skin health, this could be worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you want to improve skin texture and minimize pores. Skip this if you prefer a stronger scent or instant results. Considering the formula, it offers good value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with specific anti-aging properties, the last product on my list might be what you need. Product number 5, NAD Plus Retinol Volume Tox Eye Cream for $19.99. If you're looking for a comprehensive anti-aging treatment for your eyes, this one's worth considering. It features a gentle retinol formula, which is known for its ability to smooth stubborn lines and improve the appearance of dark circles. The liposome encapsulated technology means it absorbs deeply without irritating your skin, making it suitable for those sensitive areas around the eyes. With over 3,000 units sold in the last month, it's clearly got a following. However, some users expressed concerns about the price being a bit high compared to similar products. Here's my take. When it comes to eye care, investing in a quality product can pay off in the long run, especially if you want to avoid.
To wrap up, we've explored the NAD Plus Peptide Lifting Serum, the Retinol Eye Cream, the Vitamin Concentrated Serum, the Skin Softening Serum, and the Volumitox Eye Cream. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer unique solutions for various skin concerns. Whether you're focusing on anti-aging, brightening, or texture improvement, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose based on your specific needs.